Hello everyone, I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to tell you about the amazing bonus that you're going to get once you join my team. I have been getting a lot of questions asked, like what do my team actually gets once they join in. So basically I'm making this video just to answer the question, and hopefully if you have any questions, if I didn't cover anything on this video, please do reach out to me, and so that way I can clear any doubts that you might have. So in the picture, I just quickly wanted to tell you my story. My name is Sanjeev. I'm basically living here in Sydney, Australia, and I'll tell you why I started doing online business. So I'm an immigrant from Fiji Islands. I was born in Fiji Islands, beautiful part in Lautoka. I migrated to Sydney, Australia when I was only 16 years of age. So when I came here in Sydney, Australia, basically with me and my sister, and pretty much we had to start from scratch. Like, my parents didn't actually come with us, so we had to build our own life, own future, and I had to do whatever it took me. I was very uncomfortable in the beginning. I had to learn a lot of language. You know, English is not my first language. My first language is Hindi. And coming to a different country, I went to school here for 2 years, and actually I was getting bullied a lot in school because of my different accent that I have, and I had a lot of difficulties growing up. And when I got out of high school, I actually didn't know what I was gonna do. So I just took any job I was given to me, and I worked in Pizza Hut. I worked as a truck driver. So very quickly I realized that I needed to do something, because back home my parents were actually relying on me. Being a younger child in the family, I had to look after the families back home, and they actually didn't understand the difficulties I was going on a day-to-day basis in this new country. So basically I had to find different ways I can actually earn money online. And when I first started doing online business, in the first year I lost a lot of money because I was trialing everything out on my own, and I didn't invest in myself. I didn't have a mentor or nothing. I basically started doing different things like eBay, Amazon, Shopify, and I lost a lot of money doing that, until I found a mentor who actually guided me and supported me every single step of the way. And that's when he showed me the real path, what I needed to do on a day-to-day basis to get that financial freedom. So that's when I pretty much left my job as a truck driver, and basically now I'm just helping others do the same, because I understand how difficult it is to get out of the matrix, right? 9 to 5, that's what everyone tells us. You need to get a college degree for you to make some substantial amount of money. But within the last 5 or 6 years, I realized that that's not the story. Like, everything is happening in the world. For example, COVID, right? Back at that time, lucky I was online, and I saw the shift that was happening in the online space, right? And a lot of people at that time quit the job. Luckily I wasn't one of them, because my online business was supporting me throughout. And then later I got married to my beautiful wife, and we have 3 beautiful kids. So whatever I'm doing now, because of them, and now I'm helping others do the same to achieve that financial freedom and do whatever they enjoy to do, traveling the world, spending time with their kids and family, and also helping their parents or whoever is overseas to help them back home. So that's basically pretty much my short story, and now I'll cover what you're actually going to get once you join my team with the amazing business that I'm doing. So this is the business model that I'm doing, the Business Academy, all in one awesome business model. And basically this business model will teach you everything, how you can set up your business model and everything. They also give you a lot of bonus, but just from my side, I'm also giving the people who actually join my team more bonus. So this is what I'm actually going to cover in this video. So what you're going to actually get is a funnel built for you, right? A funnel that's already systemized and pretty much getting you leads on a continuous basis. And pretty much this is an example funnel, right? But you're going to be getting a custom funnel that's going to be built for you to get a high opt-in rate, right? And pretty much what you're doing, how we actually getting paid is through email marketing. So basically what I'm doing at the moment is I'm creating short videos like this, and also I'm on top of that I'm doing email marketing. So you don't need to create the videos like this that I'm creating now. You can purely just do email marketing. So what it is, I have a vendor in place, and I just pay him a little bit, like $40, $20-$30 a week, and pretty much he has all his pretty much niche buyers on his email list. And what it is he's sending the traffic to my opt-in page, and pretty much once they come onto my opt-in list, the automated system starts sending them email, and then that's when they're gonna buy the system, right? Buy the whole business model. So pretty unique business model, and this is the two things you're going to get per click. This is all USA buyers, all right? And we're going to send you unique clicks. I'm also going to give you 30 to 40 cents per click, so that way you know it's super targeted. And also I'm giving you a huge discount on the actual click as well. I will also set up your autoresponder, the backend, so once someone opts in your the funnel, the automated system will start sending them email, and that's how you're gonna get customers. So you don't need to create videos like this. It's very simple, very easy business model, and I believe anyone can do this business model. I've done so much business model, but not the way that this business is set up. Pretty much anyone can do this business model. Even though you don't have any experience, any skills, you can definitely do this business. So I'll leave a link in the description and in the comment for my Facebook profile. You can reach out to me, ask me questions, any issues, any doubts you have, you can reach out there. And also I'll leave a link to this page, right? And if you want to know more details, I'll like I said, I left a link in the details. And ask me any questions. I'm happy to answer any questions and just to help you out, because I know there's a lot of changes been happening in the online space, and also more and more people are jumping online. But I don't want you to make the mistake that thinking that any business is right for you. I want you to give you the best possible business out there that is in the online space, so you can make the informed decision and just to create that financial freedom that you want. So again, thank you, and my God bless you, and bye for now. Thank you.